These morning devs, I don't think they're trying to mess with me, but they've been in front of my house for the last 4 months. And so this is about that experience. Morning dove dances every day on lamppost. Lover says, not yet. These guys, the birds, I mean women in the natural world, in our world, they dress up. But in the bird world, it's the men that dress up. We are the fancy guys and we dance and we, just for what? Okay. But it's interesting, isn't that something? And then this other one, which happened to me, I was driving off of Monroe. I'm not sure if it's 10th or 12th Street, just off campus. Snow drops fall lightly in the middle of summer. Snow drops lightly in the middle of summer. Cottonwood throws confetti. Have you seen that? Cottonwood? Beautiful, beautiful. The sun shines over Central Park. Or probably Avery Park, I don't know. One of those. Flowers sunbathe. What beauties to see. And this happened to me either early in the morning or late at night, or not late at night, but right about sunset. Sun, and because there's a bunch of trees in front of my house, like very tall, sun paints silhouettes of lovers walking from shaky bed. 6 o'clock in spring. Okay, it was 6 o'clock in spring. Oregon winks its blue eye at the rising sun in summer. Crater Lake awakes. Isn't Crater Lake beautiful?
Absolutely.
Oh my God, damn it. Crater Lake is like, because I am from the reefs. I familiar with reefs? I'm from the, diving in the reefs. It's blue. And if you drive a Cessna, my friend, he's a pilot, Stephen. And I mean, driving in on a Cessna plane, the small planes? It's like, it's beautiful. But this